To all of you who share a special aloha for our Indigenous cultures, especially our Indigenous languages, Felina Kako. We, ʻOiwi TV, are here in New York City at the United Nations headquarters for the official launch ceremony of the 2019 International Year of Indigenous Languages, and we joined with other Indigenous peoples from around the world.
Del Año Internacional de las Lenguas Indígenas.
Ona e te doa te ni kung reira te neje no guadi, neje ni hadi e tino kwe.
Tangari gutun bari gimbisi e wataya, bandunga kai yalangurgo.
Me ko'u mau hoa ʻOiwi, aloha I ka kākou mau ʻōlelo, aloha nui kākou.
We come with humility as your guest to this great house to speak on behalf of 370 million Indigenous peoples around the world. We come as bright and colorful threads in a tapestry woven together over millennia by our ancestors, binding us together to share a common path.
Having the United Nations General Assembly declare the International Year represents years of diplomacy and determination by Indigenous language advocates.
It's been really important to get the UN on board because it's a mechanism for providing a global focus.
The week of festivities started in Paris at the headquarters of UNESCO, the lead agency coordinating the International Year and helping to give voice to the world's Indigenous languages.
What we have now is a bright, shining light on Indigenous languages globally, and the precarious state that we find all languages of Indigenous origin. So maybe with this there'll be some more help and assistance out there in making sure that our babies and our children learn our languages.
Ensuring that our keiki grow up speaking their language has driven progress here in Hawaii's language movement for the past 35 years. This emphasis on our children is but one of many ways our Indigenous worldviews align.
There is a Sami saying that describes this. Similar souls recognize each other, and this year offers us opportunities of sharing and inspiring each other to do better, to do more for our languages.
But now we turn around and look who's doing well and how can we learn from them. Hawaiian, your work is incredible compared to what others are doing, but you know, we build on the language nest idea and others and just work from there.
Dignitaries from around the world spoke to the urgency with which we must act as a global community to ensure the survival of our languages.
We need to act as a collective subject, as one. In the world, if we stand alone, we will only be an object. Together, we can act as a subject, an active subject. Exercising your right to speak a maternal language is one of the most important rights that Indigenous peoples enjoy. Indeed, it's one of the most important rights of humankind. Indigenous languages are one of the most valuable treasures that have been bequeathed to us by our ancestors.
From the UN headquarters here in New York, this is Amy Kalili for ʻOiwi TV.